Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today's lesson is about the normal probability plot. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to draw and interpret a normal probability plot. Then, find the easiest way to check whether the sample distribution is normal or not. Last but not least, the most possible normal distribution is the one whose mean and standard deviation are the same as the sample mean and standard deviation. I have question here. What is normality assumption? Okay, normality assumption is a step in the data analysis process. The most used probability distribution in a statistical analysis are the normal distribution. Most of the inferential method use normality assumption as the basis. You can use a statistical test or statistical plot to check whether the sample distribution is normal or not. Some of statistical tests for the testing normality are Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, Anderson-Darling test, then Shapiro-Wilk test. However, the easiest way is by using a normal probability plot. So this is a step to plot normal probability plot. First step, you need to sort the data in the ascending order and denote each sorted data as the xi, where I equal to 1 until n. N is a number of sample, means that how many sample that you have. Step number 2, numeric the sorted data from I to n. Step number 3, we calculate the probability value for each xi using this formula. Okay, last but not least is step number 4 is plot pi versus xi. Okay, from the figure you can see, if you get the sample point lies approximately on a straight line, okay, for example like this or like this, okay, like this, so we can say the data is approximately normally distributed. The normal probability plot is a graphical technique for assessing whether or not a data set is approximately normal distributed. Okay, from the figure, you can see the figure. If the sample point lie approximately on the straight line, the data is approximately normally distributed. We can also obtain the normal probability plot using the other statistical package such as SPSS, Minitab, R, and etc. Let's try to do this example. Example 1.13. First, we have the original data. Then, please remember the step to plot the normality probability plot. Okay, the first step, you need to sort the data in the ascending order. Okay, we start with 5 and then the largest value is 28. Then we denote as a xi where I equal to 1 until n. In this data set, we have n equal to 5. Step number 2, we enumerate the sorted data from I to n, and then we calculate the probability value for each xi. Okay, this one for probability value for each xi. Then we plot the graph. So the graph pi versus xi from the figure above is known as the normal probability plot. Since the data lies approximately on a straight line, so the data is normally distributed. Let's try do the exercise, guys. If you don't know, you can discuss with your lecturer, and please pause a while you're doing this exercise, because the answer will give you in the next. Okay, this is answer for the question 1, and then this one is answer for the question 2. As conclusion, the application of statistics are many and varied. People encounter them in everyday life, such as in reading newspaper or magazine, listening to the radio, and watching television. By combining all of the descriptive statistic technique discussed in this chapter together, the student is now able to collect, organize, summarize, and presenting the data. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.